Welcome. Let's speak English without long pauses. Learn how to talk more fluently and naturally, step by step. What makes you pause while speaking? Looking for the right words, nervousness, or shyness. Thinking in your own language will fix these problems together. Train your brain to form sentences in English. No need to translate, just use simple thoughts. Master common expressions. Learn useful patterns like I'm going to, what do you think about? Practice makes speaking easier. Speak at your own pace. You don't have to talk fast. Clear and calm speaking is better than rushing. Listen and repeat. Use English podcasts or videos. Repeat short sentences, match the tone and speed. Use small pauses smartly. Use words like let's see, well, they help fill the gaps naturally. Read and speak aloud. Choose beginner stories or dialogues. Reading out loud boosts fluency and confidence. Record and listen to yourself. Try speaking for 1 minute on any topic. Record, listen, and improve your flow. Copy native speakers. Shadowing. Listen to one sentence, repeat instantly. This builds rhythm and natural speech. Talk to yourself in English. Describe your day or thoughts out loud. Example, I'm walking to the store now. Practice with a friend or online. Join English groups or practice with a partner. Daily practice equals daily improvement. Your 15-minute practice plan. 5 minutes. Listen and repeat 5 minutes. Read aloud 5 minutes. Talk about your day. Easy, daily, and effective. Believe in your progress. Mistakes are okay, they mean you're learning. Confidence grows with daily practice. You're ready. Now it's your turn. Speak more, pause less, and enjoy learning English.